Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads like this. There's a lot of people and investors, especially new investors, so they don't know how to go from seeing a company that they like or they believe will do well to actually buying their shares and profiting from the company's success. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to physically buy shares in a company using my live trading account. So the stocks I'm going to buy in this tutorial are penny stocks that I recommended to my subscribers, but the same process goes for any stocks. And as mentioned, I'll be using my live trading account, which I'm with Interactive Brokers. So I recommend Interactive Brokers for anyone who is outside of the USA. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. And as I've been with Interactive Brokers for a while, I highly recommend them as they're a good broker.
Hi guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how I go about placing orders. Alright, so my broker of choice, or the broker that I use, is Interactive Brokers. So I usually place orders on the web trader. In a way, I prefer the web trader because it's quick. You just go on, log in, and then from there, the interface is pretty good. I quite like it anyway. It's easy to get around and maneuver around. But they also have the desktop trading platform, which gives you a lot more features, etc. Alright, so basically the first of the order that I'm going to place, and I've already placed these orders, but I'm going to go through exactly how I placed them and show you obviously where you should see them. So first of all, you have new order, you have orders, and you have trades. Alright, so new orders, if you want to place a new order, whether it's stocks, buying or selling stocks, options, futures, forex, funds, bonds, etc. Interactive brokers, they're very comprehensive in that they offer pretty much everything, that you need in terms of trading and investment. Alright, so they even offer spreads. So I do credit spreads as well as part of my strategies, etc. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to stick to the stocks and I'm going to show you exactly how I place the order for these stocks. So the first one is Microvision, or ticker symbol MVIS. Alright, so what I do is go to new order, go to stock, and the order management, sometimes it might load up and you don't see this if you're using Interactive Brokers. So what you can do is highlight, you can pretty much just click this arrow, alright, and then it brings up your order menu. New order, stocks, and then what I'm going to do in symbol, this is where you type in the ticker symbol. Okay, so for Microvision, the ticker symbol is MVIS. Alright, and then you click go. Sometimes companies may use the same ticker symbol, or orders might be able to be routed through different forms. Alright, so for instance, Microvision, you can go through NASDAQ or FWB. So you go through NASDAQ. Once you've clicked the symbol and you've selected the correct one, okay, so you have actions, quantity, symbol, limit price, order type, time in force, TIF, exchange, currency, and fill outside, regular trading hours. Okay, so I'll go through these in turn. Okay, so action, basically whether you want to buy or sell. So quantity, for instance, if you're doing stocks, this is how many shares you're gonna buy, or you're looking to buy, or you're looking to sell. If you're doing options, then these are the contracts, etc. But that'll be for another video. The next one is symbol, as we've already mentioned. So this is your ticker symbol for the company that you want to buy shares in. The next one is the limit price. Limit price is the price that you want to get it at, okay? Or you want to get it below, all right? That's the max price that you're going to pay for it. It's suggesting $6.85, okay? Which is the maximum that, if you selected $6.85 as your limit price, this is the maximum that you pay per share of this stock. All right, so we've selected limit price. Okay, the next one is order type. Okay, so LMT is limit. So if you want a limit order, or if you want the market order, if you want a stop order, etc. So some of these orders are more advanced. I always choose limit order because at least I know the maximum I'm looking to pay for this per share is $6.90. Okay, if the market opens and the price goes to maybe $7.50 a share, or even let's say $9.50 a share, which is pretty much where my target, my take profit target is for this stock. If it goes to $9 a share, I do not want to be paying $9 a share. Or if you want, you can always do market order. Market order you can basically use if you want to just get rid of shares. Let's say you've got in a trade, okay, let's say you bought shares and basically the company is not doing very well and is tanking, is crashing very quickly. You just want to get out quickly. All right, you do market order so it fills you at whatever price, and that's pretty much instantaneous. All right, so the next one is time in force, so TIF. Okay, let's say I place this order and I click it for today, right? Let's say the whole trading day comes and goes, and on close, this order still not been filled out. They'll automatically cancel the order, which is good if you're not happy with this price. Okay, you don't want that order lingering on your portfolio. That's for day. The next one is good till close. So basically, let's say you found your favorite company, right? You just want to get in. All right. You want to own shares in that company, and that's it. You want to hold it for a long time, have that order open for a long time because you really want to get in. All right. So you click good to close. All right. So basically, good to close, you have to manually close that order. All my orders, whether I'm doing stocks, options, etc., they're always day orders. All right. So once that's clicked, the next one is exchange. You can manually pick which exchange you use. Okay. So you can use Amex, NYSE, CBOE, Phil, ISE, etc. I always just use Smart. So basically Smart, the algorithm will choose the best exchange, all right, to get you at the quickest execution speed and also most desirable price. All right. So let's say I went from Smart to, let's just say ISE. Okay. I might not get filled at 690 on ISE exchange. All right. ISE exchange might be, let's say 710, 720, or maybe 690 can be filled on NYSE or Amex. All right. So once you've done that, is the next one, I never really click it, okay, but basically fill outside regular trading hours. So with the stock market, the regular trading hours are like 8 hours usually, okay, for most stocks. So if you're talking the UK time, you're talking maybe 2:30 p.m. until 9 or 9:30 p.m. So right now, I'm just going to buy 10 shares of this, okay? So once you click on the quantity you want, then you go to preview order. So preview order, it pretty much tells you everything. So it tells you how much is going to be the commission. The commission, that's in pence and that's in dollars, okay, or cents. All right. Initial margin, maintenance margin, equity with loans. So basically all your margin requirements for maintaining this trade, okay, if you were to hold it for a long time. All right. So once that's done, you would click submit order, okay? I'm not going to go ahead and click submit order because I already have the order in the system. All right, guys. So that's pretty much how you place orders quickly on Interactive Brokers, the web platform.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads like this. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.